Out of the blue came COVID 19, and the entire world came to a halt, not knowing what to do, as there was no medicine or vaccine for this invisible yet deadly coronavirus. The moment people heard about the lockdown, there were different reactions and emotions among people. The rich were busy storing up food supplies for at least 6 months, and the middle class were fighting to stand in queues in front of the stores to buy food supplies for a month. And standing last in the social structure were the poor of the nation who cannot afford to see tomorrow if they were not given today's wage. They were on foot along with their children and elderly people walking hundreds of kilometers without any supplies or money. They were not on a pilgrimage, but they were trying to migrate back to their homes, to different places across the country from the place of their work. Not being sure about the certainty of their travel, there were people who fell dead in the middle of their journey due to lack of food and water. There were people who were dead because of underlying untreated health conditions that got worsened because of this uncertain, deadly journey. All of these people have a common element: hope. Hope of the rich was that their food supplies will last the pandemic lockdown. And hope of the middle class was that they will get food supplies. And hope of the poor was that they will reach home alive. What a picture of diversity we see here. And what is our response, being believers in Christ who are blessed by His love? We as believers who are experiencing the love of Christ should pray and also extend love towards our neighbor, anyone who is in need. If we are saved by His grace and love through faith in Jesus, we are ought to exhibit in our actions. There are many government organizations and many voluntary non-government organizations in action providing basic food supplies to the needy. Are we piling up for ourselves, or are we sharing God's love with our needy neighbor out of the abundance that God has given us? And I'm very happy to see many churches and many believers are actually doing this. Because of this lockdown, there were many who got affected so bad. They could not survive because of lack of food resulted from no wages, as there is no work for them to do. Some people said, we will die out of starvation before Corona kills us. And to the other side of the coin, there are also people who said, I'll die before Corona hits me because I'm at home with my wife fighting over the color of the cake she baked. What is our response today? We need to understand that God has placed us as a steward. We need to be responsible in utilizing what God has given us. There is a specific reason why God has provided you, so that you will be sharing that providence with your neighbor who is in need, to make His hope a reality. God uses you to fulfill His will through your life. Be a blessing to others. Barzillai provided for King David when in times of need. The widow provided for Elijah when she was just left with small dough for herself and for her son. The boy who gave 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish in times of need. So let's exhibit God's love. We be like the one who responsibly utilized the talents his master has given him, and not like the one who buried and did nothing and later was left with none, for he was not a good steward. God bless you and make you a blessing for many. If you like our videos, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our videos. God bless you.